Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss how to calculate standard deviation for ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, standard deviation is calculated by two methods, direct method and shortcut method. Formula for direct method is under root sigma x minus x bar ka whole square upon n. Here x bar is arithmetic mean, x is variable, n is number of observation, and standard deviation is also denoted by symbol sigma. Formula for calculating standard deviation by shortcut method is under root sigma d square upon n minus sigma d upon n ka whole square. Here n is number of observation and d is deviation from mean x minus a and a is assumed mean. Let's solve a problem on standard deviation by both direct method and shortcut method. The data given here is a ungrouped data. Formula for calculating standard deviation for ungrouped data by direct method is under root sigma d square upon n. Here d is x minus x bar. So first find out mean. Arithmetic mean for ungrouped data is sum of all observation upon total number of observation. So x bar is equals to 15 plus 25 plus 31 plus 42 plus 45 plus 51 plus 57. Now find out total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the value of n is 7. So by adding all the observation, x bar is equals to 266 upon 7 or 38. Now write down the value of x in the first column. Now find out d, which is x minus x bar. So d is 15 minus x bar is, or arithmetic mean is 38. So 15 minus 38 is minus 23. 25 minus 38 is minus 13. 31 minus 38 is minus 7. 42 minus 38 is 4. 45 minus 38 is 7. 51 minus 38 is 13. And 57 minus 38 is 19. Now find out d square. So minus 23 into minus 23 is 529. Minus 13 into minus 13 is 169. Minus 7 into minus 7 is 49. 4 into 4 is 16. 7 into 7 is 49. 13 into 13 is 169. And 19 into 19 is 361. Now find out sigma d square, which is calculated by adding all the values of d square. So 529 plus 169 plus 49 plus 16 plus 49 plus 169 plus 361 is 1342. So sigma d square is 1342. Now put the value of sigma d square in the formula. So standard deviation is equals to under root 1342 upon n is 7. So by solving this equation, standard deviation is equals to under root 191.71, or the value of standard deviation is 13.8. Now solve the same problem on standard deviation by shortcut method. So the formula for calculating standard deviation by shortcut method is under root sigma d square upon n minus sigma d upon n ka whole square. Here n is number of observations, d is x minus a, and a is assumed mean. Now write down the value of x in the first column. Now select any value from the x as a, or assumed mean. Here I am selecting 42 as the assumed mean. You can take any value from the x as a. So a, here I have selected 42 as a. Now find out d, which is x minus a. So 15 minus 42 is a. 15 minus 42 is minus 27. 25 minus 42 is minus 17. 31 minus 42 is minus 11. 42 minus 42 is 0. 45 minus 42 is 3. 51 minus 42 is 9. 57 minus 42 is 15. Now find out sigma d by adding all these values. So first add negative values together and positive values together. Minus 27 minus 17 minus 11 is minus is plus. So the value is minus 55, and 0 plus 3 plus 9 plus 15 is 27. So minus 55 plus 27 minus plus is minus. So minus 55 plus 27 is minus 28. So the value of sigma d is minus 28. Now find out d square. So minus 27 into minus 27 is 729. Minus 17 into minus 17 is 289. Minus 11 into minus 11 is 121. 0 into 0 is 0. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. 15 into 15 is 225. Now find out sigma d square by adding all these values. So 721 plus 289 plus 121 plus 0 plus 9 plus 81 plus 225 is 1454. So the value of sigma d square is 1454. Now put the values of sigma d square, sigma d and n in the formula. So sigma is equals to under root 1454 upon n is 7. So sigma is equals to under root 1454 upon 7 minus 28 upon 7 का whole square. Now solve this equation. Sigma is equals to under root 207.71 minus 16. So sigma is equals to under root minus 191.71. So the value of standard deviation is 30.8.